Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter 1 of geography and the name of the chapter is resources. So first through this flowchart I will give you a brief introduction of the chapter. First I will explain you what is resources and then we will understand types of resources. Here we can see there are three types of resources: natural resources, man-made resources, and man himself a great resource. Students, in this flowchart we can see natural resources are classified on the basis of origin, use, distribution and development that I will explain you in details afterward. And in last we will understand the conservation of resources, why it is necessary to conserve the resources. Students, I think in previous classes you have read the example of conventional resources, non-conventional resources and various types of resources in science subject. But do you know what is resource? How does something become a resource? So, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Or in other way, if a thing is having utility or usability is called a resource, like water, electricity, vegetable and many more. Now the next question is, how does something become a resource? So things become resources only when they have a value. Value means worth of an object or resource, and its usability or utility gives it a value. All resources have value. The value of resources can be differ from time to time and person to person. One resource may have an economic value while other may have an aesthetic value. Aesthetic means related with enjoyment or beauty, but both are important for human beings because both satisfied human needs. Now let's move on factors. What factors include a resource? So, there are two important factors, that time and technology, that can change substances into resources, and both are related to the needs of people. People themselves are the most important resource. It is their idea, knowledge, invention and discovery that lead to the creation of more resources.